Okay, so again, we are plugging in our restaurant supplies. It's the same exact transaction that we've done multiple times, so we plugged it in. Now we're plugging it into our ledger. So we already finished plugging into our ledger, so now we need to plug it into our subsidiary ledger for restaurant supplies.
It's down there quite a ways.
There you go, restaurant supplies. Oops. There you go. This is them, Restaurant Supplies Incorporated.
And we can copy all of that down because it came to the exact same thing.
Okay. Sales receipt number 00. Was it like 6145? Let's see.
I'm not sure on that one. I looked at it and then didn't. Yeah, 6145. So your total will be 4,400 and something. And then we've got everything.
In this case, we paid with the Visa credit card, so we don't technically owe Restaurant Supplies anything. Okay.
Sorry, forgot that part.
No worries. Okay. Now it says we received a payment from Super A Market for invoice number 103 and invoice number 107. And they gave us a check number 582. Okay, so what do we do with this?
That for debit, we have checking. And then we need to go to the subsidiary ledger and see if they were able to take the discount.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. They're paying for two invoices at the same time. So in this case, invoice number 103 and invoice number 107. Okay.
Yeah, they made it because their due date is July 1st and 7th for discount. So
Okay, so let's see. You said the first is they're paying for 103 and 107. So they're paying for both of these. Okay, so good. There you go. All right. So let's see. Invoice number 103, you're right. They have until July 1st, so they're taking advantage of that. And they're paying on the 29th. So 1 day before, 2 days before it's actually due. So that means they're going to be granted the 1% discount off of what amount?
so the total sale amount minus the 2 delivery fees we charge them.
Okay.
Even though they made a advance the payment. So I add the 498.80 for invoice 103, and then 99.20 plus 35 for 107, and subtracted the $60.
Okay.
And then I multiply 1% on the difference.
Okay. Okay.
Right, even though they gave us an advance payment, we still have to give them a discount from the total order minus the delivery.
That's correct. Yeah.
Okay.
So let me go ahead and do what you just did there. So you took 468.80 plus.
It's 490.80 for the first invoice.
Yeah, but I'm taking out the $30
I
right
see.
there.
Okay.
Okay. And then 920 minus 30, which is what, 890?
Yeah, 35.
890 35.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you're gonna multiply that by 1%. So I got 1359.
Yes, that's what I have too.
Okay. Now you can also break it down too. If you know that the first one, right? If it's 4688, right? Then you're gonna know that that means it's gonna be $4.69 plus, right? Not 8903. So that means it's going to be $8.90 will give you your $13.53. Okay, so then that's breaking it down for each and every single one of them, the discount for each one. Okay, percentages, it doesn't matter how many items that you have, it's a percentage, meaning it's you could add them all together and take it the percentage, or you could do them individually. You're still gonna get the same answer. Okay, there you go. You got 1359. Okay, and then how much do you are you how much are they actually paying you?
So 498.80 plus 460.17.
Okay, so 958.97. Oop, I forgot the discount.
Yeah.
So let me do that again. So you do this plus this minus this, and you should get 945.38. That looks right. Okay.
Yes.
And then therefore, Super A Market owes you nothing.
Yeah.
And then we pretty much we could just finish this one off because we have all the information, right? What was the check number? 582.
Yes.
Today is
29.
the 29.
The payment.
Receive payment. Check number 582. Invoice number 103 and 107.
Page 21.
Okay, so 1359 is your sales discount, and the check amount you're going to receive is 94538. Okay, for the grand total amount that is owed to be 958.97.
So now we are giving them a discount. So for another line for debit, it's sales discount. It's 46000. And then for the credit, it's account receivable.
Good, right? Because we're reducing what they owe us.
So,
Yep.
and then I said,
95897.
yeah, 958.97.
Okay. And then
For the no, I wrote Super A Market. Payment invoice 103 and 107. And gave 1% discount. And check number 582. And then first we do deposit slip. Please check number 582 for 945.38. And then yeah, still already in the day, I assume. So and then we go to the general ledgers. And then for asset, we checking. And we receive payment for invoice 103 and 107. With check number 583, 582, excuse me. On page 21. And it's debit for 945.38. Our total is $95,248.70.
5,248.70. Good.
Yeah. And then we go to sales discount on the revenue, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. There we go. Sales discount.
So it's 629. Same as previous one, the £1 discount on invoice. 103 and then 107. Page 21. It's $13.59.
Mm-hmm.
So our grand total is 1,898.44.
Good.
And then we go to the asset again. And then we update the what's that? Oops. The account receivable. So it's 629 invoice received the payment for invoice.
Mm-hmm.
And then page 21. And then the total is 958.97.
95897.
Yes. Oops. 95897. So the balance is now $1,264.21. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Yes, that's the end of the journal.
Good. Right. We already did a subsidiary ledger. So now let's see what happened next. All right. So Mr. Albert submits another order for Great Restaurant, and this is what they want. In sales order number 111 to Great Restaurant, they want 75 pounds of regular coffee and 72 pounds of Supreme coffee. They want it delivered by July 1st. Okay, for a grand total of $564.03. Okay. We can plug in our sales order here. Okay, today is the 29th. Sales order number 1111. To whom we are doing this for a great restaurant. Okay, what do they want from us? You can copy the same one here from previous. This time they want
So for regular coffee, the total is 246.75. And for the supreme coffee, it's 287.28. With delivery charge, the total is 560 for the three.
56403. And that is exactly what it is quoted for. Okay, awesome. Last transaction for the day. Let's go ahead and complete this in-store sales and update the inventory, and then we'll be done for today, okay? So, on June 29, we sold 250 medium regular coffees and then 225 large regular coffees, and then we sold 249 medium supreme coffees and 230 large supreme coffees and 8 coffee mugs, and we collected $218.53 worth of tax. So in this case, right, we got a grand total cash of $2,867.41. So let's see, do I have enough space in my journal? That looks like enough, but let's just go ahead and copy one thing at a time. So do your in-store sales first. When I find it, in-store sales, here you go. In-store sales, I'm just going to copy all of it. Hopefully it fits. Okay. Let's see, I think it will just fit. Yep, it just fits. Wow, so that means when we come back on to finish up the 30th, we will be starting on the new page 22, okay? So here's page 21, all done. So again, let's finish up this sales here for the in-store sales. Okay. All right, so how much medium regular coffee did we sell?
497.50. And next line 672.75. And next line 620.01. And next line's 802.70. And next one is 55.92. And sales tax is 218.53.
So grand total 2867.41, which is correct. 2867.41. No typos.
Yay.
Yay.
And so now we before I forget, we do a deposit. slip again. It's in-store sale for 2867.41 and 629. Slip number 14. And total. We're depositing $33,812.79.
Good.
And we go to the general ledger. So we can update the e-check account. So we go checking. And it's 629. And then it's in-store sale. And then it's page 21. And then it's $2,867.41. So our grand total is $8,116.11.
Okay.
And then we go to the revenue. We update each coffee cup sale. So,
Okay, so I have the medium regular coffee.
yes, so it's 629. And it's 250 cups for 497.50, and grand total is $4,774.01.
Good.
And then for a large, it's 225 cups for
Two,
six
225.
225, yeah, 225 on page 21. And 672.75.
672.75.
And now grand total is $5,935.15.
Good.
And for the medium stream, we sold 249 cups on page 21. And it's 620.01.
Make sure you don't miss that penny. Okay, 620.01.
And then grand total is now $6,058.17.
Good.
And then now the large stream, we sold 230 cups on page 21 for $802.70. And our grand total is $6,857.85.
Good.
And then we have to go up to the ceramic coffee mug. It's 629. We sold 8 cups. And it's on page 21 for $55.92. And then where our grand total is $1,639.14.
Good.
Oops. And then we go to the liability for the sales tax payable. On the bottom. It's $218.53. So the grand total is $1,855.12.
Mm-hmm.
And so that's the end of that transaction.
Okay. And here tells you that you used 44 pounds of regular coffee and 45 pounds of supreme coffee. Okay, so 44 regular, 45 supreme. Okay. So 44 pounds of regular at 1.662633 will give you a grand total cost of goods sold of
$73.16.
$73.16. Okay, so let's update our inventory. How much should you have left?
$115.5.
Okay.
For the $192.03.
192.03. Good.
And then so now new price is 1.662597.
Okay.
And for Supreme Coffee, we use 45 pounds at $1.89 still.
No. Okay, now I see what I did wrong. Okay. Okay, so we'll do 29. 29. How much did you say you got?
I have $85.05.
8505.
Yeah, so now the balance for that batch is 35 pounds. For $66.15.
So if you need to check that, I don't remember what number that was, but you should have a total at the end of the day, 304.90.
Yes.
Okay. So you used 8505 and 7316.
Yeah, so now we can go back to ledgers and update the number.
Okay, so go to the ledger. Starting with the cost of goods sold.
Is 73.16 for the liquor and 85.05 for Supreme coffee.
We use 44 pounds.
Oh yes. Oh, you're way ahead of me.
Okay, I thought you were jumping ahead. Okay, so
Okay.
we popped it
Hold on.
into the journal. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'm in the
So-
ledger.
Okay. So yes, you're in ledger. So we go to the cost of goods sold,
Mm-hmm.
and it's fixed 73.16. So now it's right. Yeah.
73.16.
So
What's my new grand total?
oh, I plugged in the wrong one. Give me 1 minute. 1234.78. Yes.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8.
Yes. And then for the
Supreme coffee.
Supreme coffee, it's 85.05 on page 21.
Hold on. How many pounds did we use?
45 pounds.
Page 21
Yes.
for 85.05.
05. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So now balance is $1,315.41.
Good.
And then we can go to the asset to update the inventory. So now coffee for regular.
Hold on, I'm finding it. Regular coffee, okay.
Yes. So we used 44 pounds on 29. On page 21, and it is $73.16. So balance is $192.03.
Okay. That should
And
match.
let me double check. Yes, it does. And for the regular, the Supreme coffee, since we already did that, it's $6.29. We used 45 pounds. On page 21 for $85.05. So our balance is now $304.90.
Yep. And I for surely know that matches.
Yes.
Awesome. So, again, we're going to stop here for today. And we will finish up June 30th, right? We'll just go ahead and do that day tomorrow. And we're going to officially start on the brand new page, General Journal, page 22. So save your work. Okay. Other than that,